are multiple ways here to create an application. You can start from a design, you can start from data, or you can start from a plan. As I would have mentioned by now, there used to be one more button here that would say start from a template. That is not at this moment here. I'm not sure if it is taken out permanently, but I found a workaround for you that you can find out. So start with a design is like you have all the page design would control how the screen, button, or form or navigation appear. The template is not here. The data is where you have some certain business information and you want to connect to the application and you want to start working with it. Plan is like with the help of the Copilot, you can create your app faster with using the natural language instead of an in manual design. So we'll see them one by one. So let's go to create and okay, template is not there as well, but I just brought you here so that I can explain you one more thing. That is, you can see start from a design have two options, canvas design and model driven application. So canvas apps is like give you a full control over an app design or layout and the user experience. This is more like a drag and drop controls. So you can think like a canvas that we use for a painting, that is a blank white board, and you can put all the colors and the shape that you want to add there. Similar experience you get here when you start from a blank. It is a blank canvas, you can put whatever you want in there, right? Model driven application focus more on business data and processes. So with Microsoft automatically generate the interface with data was stable, right? And Canvas app are designed first with model driven app, the data first. So design first, data first. And this is completely data based. Okay, so let's go and create an app. Now here you can see start with the design, start with the data. Now, but here when you click, you can see all the four options, new apps. So start with a Copilot, start with data. So Copilot is basically start with a plan. Start with data, start with the page design, which is start with the design where you have two options, Canvas app and model driven app. And this is what start with the app template. Okay. So I would have told you already, there used to be so many different options. Now it's kind of taking off. So I only see three options here. App training for office, book a room, and meeting capture. Now I know that in your lab, you would have different options. Let me bring the app for you. Yes. So in your lab manual, under the app, they show different option here, but we are not going for that. We will go directly for, so this one is leave request. Let's try something different. Okay. So let's book a room. Okay. So this one we are starting from templates, so we would have everything almost designed there. Here you can see it is already connected to the SharePoint and looks like Outlook here. And this is a format that you can change for tablet or phone. So if you click on preview app, so it's basically trying me to connect. So it found my credentials here and I have to say allow. So I'm going to book An existing room, book without a meeting. Either of them I can select. So let's try. So I can go and check. No room book room not available because we have to connect a room def like complete a list of room, I guess. So no meeting. So if I already had a meeting, I could have selected here, right? And I can select. So this is just a preview how it would look like. Now we can try a different template. Let's see here, meeting capture or power training for office. Let's see. So this is readily available application that you can customize a little bit and you can start using it. So it picked up my credential from my account and it would connect. I have to allow it. So I can start using this. This is a sort of tutorial. You can start how to create an app this from the template. You will find a complete tutorial here, in fact. So if I go here, the people picker, how to customize it, you will find the complete steps here, how you can do that. Then there is the planner, how to customize it. You can find the details here. The outlook, all the objects are here. And then once you are ready, you can go ahead and preview it and start using it. So this is about uh, creating an application from the template. The next we are going to do is create the template with a canvas, means from scratch or from a design.